Oh man, Zach left the sink on again.
On the computer and find out what it is.
Living room for just $20. You've got a comfy sofa, non-lagging TV, and a
We interrupt this program for an important...
I hate strange human bulletins. There. Now I won't watch that stupid news again.
Calling all cars, calling all cops, calling all detectives, calling all paddy wagons, calling all hunters. Girl GoFan 404 has escaped from the Comedy World Island prison. There is a $1,000 reward for anyone capturing him.
There's a $1,000 reward?
Yes, there's a $1,000 reward. Everyone lock your doors, shut your windows, and close your curtains.
Well, that should do it.
Hey. Someone let me in right now.
Oh no, you don't.
No fourth grader can outsmart me.
Bad news is here.
What is it?
Fan 404 has just escaped from jail and he is planning to destroy this whole island. Well, that was harsh to just run away like that. Hey.
What is it?
Fan 404 is planning to destroy this whole island.
I better get out of here.
What just happened? Sorry to interrupt, Fan 404 is planning to destroy this whole island.
Oh no.
Man, I'm tired of running from house to house. I'm gonna go to Andrews and rent a car.
Welcome to Andrews Custom Cars. What would you like?
A sedan.
What color would you like it to be?
Yellow.
Would you like it to have an analog or a digital speedometer?
Analog.
Okay, your sedan will be ready in 2 hours.
What the? That'll waste all my time.
Don't worry, it's only 11:03.
What? Is this it?
I don't have any more yellow paint.
Fine. I'll take it.
That'll be $145.
I'm ready to throw the Mr. Lego fan newspapers. My hands are tired. What's going on here?
Let me in, Mr. Horse and Buggy. I want you to take me for a ride to the ball game. You have 5 seconds to let me in. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Why does he have to outsmart me?